What's up, guys? Okay, so we are starting with the Shadowline strip down. Just to recoup, this is now from the previous video. We've done quite a few of the cars, and just to recoup, sorry, I can go over here. This here is the 0086 Shadowline with the MTech 2 kit on it. So I'm not going to do a full strip down because you guys have seen, as we've done on the 333, what's all to it. I'll only intercept once we get, just say if we find something, I don't want to say spectacular, but if we find an issue on the car, then I will to show you what we found. But just to split, okay, so blue interior, not blue interior, blue carpet, so it's black and blue. So I made a mistake on my description. I said black on gray. All right, so look, we know the car is roughish. It's not sold as a pristine vehicle. So I got gray helping me today, and he's starting to strip out. So what we're going to do is, let's get the interior. We're going to start over the interior because both the lifts are still occupied. We just brought the one Evo 2 onto the lift now, just so we can finish up with welding on the car, and then we're still going to do a video on that. That's the car that's totally mangled. So 325i Shadowline, full suspension, as you can see. It's currently got a set of Venturas on it. It's not an IS wheel. It looks like that. You can actually see it's a TSW wheel. Right, so this here was the remake, the copy done back in the day. We do have a set of 325i Sport wheels for it. So the i Sport is the 325s with the MTech 2 kits that came overseas. We've got a set of wheels with caps for the car, so it's actually a fresh set that's going to go on here. We're not changing suspension. We're not making it to be an IS. It's a Shadowline full suspension with the MTech 2 kit. And yeah, so let's get this here on the ball. Okay, so we've got the interior stripped out completely. So we've gone right through, but this guy's got a lot of sand. It's got sand, it's got some rust, it's got rust patches, it's got a hole in the rear floor there. And you know what, it's senseless bitching and moaning and carrying on about the E30s. We've made peace with it, and I think everybody that's got to has to make peace with it as well, that you're going to buy an E30, you're buying with rust. So we've, instead of complaining about it, we've now just found solutions to combat that. So interior is out completely, the sound deadening is out, the floor is out, the carpet is out, we've taken the mechanisms out, all the door locks are out, so this is all bare now. You can see the beadings, the gutter beadings, all of that is stripped out, windows are all out. So that is removed. We've started pulling, and we haven't started removing the harness. We'll get that done once the engine is out, and then heater box is out. We'll get the wiper mechanism and so on out once the motor is out. It just gives us a little bit more place to work with, and then once that is done, we can actually see from the and try and assess the body even more to see what we're going to do. So yeah, let's get on. Okay, so fully stripped. We've just got the front spoiler on and pop riveted on, so we've got to drill the pop rivets off, take off the bumper slides, get to the pop rivets, pull that guy off. Is a plastic piece, but it's got some fiberglass repairs on it, so we'll have to go through that. Kit is off properly, the rest of the guys out, the guys off the jig. Motor, and that is out. So like I told you from day one, engine bay is, well, the car is rough. It's not a dog, but it's rough. It needs a lot of TLC, of which is not a problem because all the cars in here need rehab. Okay, so let's move over to the jig area. So guys, remember, I explained to you this here is Shadowline. The VIN on this one here starts with 0086. So the shop is again in a mess now because we've just stripped out the vehicle. So every time we strip out a vehicle, shop is in a mess. So, sorry, let me just cut that call. Okay, motors on the jig. This here has a set of TSWs on it. That's not, it's a Venturi wheel, so it was the replacement wheel that came from, that was remanufactured for the Style 5 replacement. So again, this is how it looks beforehand. Sorry, cut again. This is how it looks beforehand, and you'll see, you've seen the previous jig that we've just done now, and you guys can see how much of work actually goes into it. So starting off like this here, this will get placed one side. Our next step now is to start paint stripping the car. So we'll start with the manual process of paint stripping. Then we will do blasting, of which I will show you guys on the M5. Blasting is basically going to be done with on the corner areas, on the framework, not on the wide areas where they can put out quite a bit. And I'd like to see how body preparations work from there. We've actually just got one car now that's in the spray booth. So we've got one of the Aero Silver cars that went down to metal, and that car looks good. So body prep is very important, and we're starting to see the outcome now. Okay guys, so this is for this one here. The next strip down we're going to do is of the OEJ vehicle. That's the Evo 2, and that'll be nice. I'm going to do the 2 episodes, not back to back, but it'll be the next episode out, and you guys can actually see the differences between a Shadowline and a IS. So visibly not much, besides for the 5-volt suspension, besides for the motor mods that were done, but basically the same cars. But if you actually have to know the price indication between the 2 suspensions, is a huge difference. So hope you guys enjoy this episode here. Next will be updates of the body, and let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned. Oh yeah, stay tuned. We will be running a competition very soon. So I'm just trying to plan this competition out, but I think you guys are gonna like it. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Cheers.